All right, we got a 2022 Sabre Cobalt edition. This is a beauty. I mean, a beauty. Outdoor kitchen. Wait till you see this upstairs living. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. But look at this. This is so nice. These both turn to sleepers. You got recliners. Look how much room. I mean, beautiful bathroom. But look at this. Kids and more kids. It goes back around the corner. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful trailer. Washer and dryer connections. I mean, look at this. Look at this thing. Look how much storage. It's a beauty.